Welcome back. In this video I will guide you how to cite a book in MLA format in Word document. Using Microsoft Word to handle your MLA citation is a massive time saver because it builds your Works Cited pages and handles formatting for you automatically. So here is the exact sequence to add a book citation and insert into your documents using Word's built-in reference tools. So first you need to go to the reference tab on the top ribbon, and in the citation and bibliography group, click the drop down menu next to the style and select the MLA. And now click the cursor where you want to give the citations. And then again click on the reference and click on the insert citation and click on the add new source. So in the create source dialog box you need to select the type of source. For this you need to click on this arrow and select the book. And now here you need to put the author name. So for your convenience you can easily click on the edit and type your last name, which is the Smith, and first name is Hawk, and then click OK. And put the title of the book, for example, The Digital Landscape, and put the year it was published, for example 2026. And as far as the city in MLA guides, you can ignore it and you can leave it blank. And in the publisher, the company that published it, for example Tech Media, and click OK. When you are done, Word will automatically place a citation right where your cursor was sitting, like this one. Moreover, whenever you quote or paragraph that books later in your paper, place your cursor where you want the citation and then click on the reference and click the insert citations, and here you need to click the book's title from the list, like this one. Moreover, MLA requires page number of direct quotes, so click on the inline parenthesis citation words just created and click the small arrow that appears on the right side of the citation box and select the edit citation. And now type the page number in the pages box and click OK. For example 5, and click OK, like this one. And now move your cursor to the very end of your document where you want your bibliography. So click on the reference tab and click on the bibliography and choose Works Cited, like this one. So Word will instantly generate a perfectly formatted alphabetized list with the requiring hanging intents, like this one. Moreover, if you ever make a mistake or need to fix a typo in the book's title, then don't worry, you need to go to the edit and text directly on the page. For this you need to click on the reference and click on the manage sources and click on the book in your master list, or you can search in the search box and click on the edit, and here you can change the book title. For example, I have mistakenly T in a small letter, I'll be in capital letter. Click OK. Click yes. You can just select on this 3 arrow and remove it. And now again go to the reference, click on the bibliography and click Works Citations. So Word will automatically update every single in the text citation and your Works Cited page simultaneously. Here you can see that it has been corrected. Moreover, if your book does not have page numbers like some digital format, just use the author last name in the parenthesis here, like you can see that. So with this way you can easily cite a book in MLA format in Word document. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.